Are you currently on the Praizion learning management system? If you are, I'd like to invite you for an exclusive, very important touch point that we are going to be having on the 20th of February. In order to get information about this, if you haven't already, you need to send an email to learningadmin@praizion.com. You should already have the email in your email box. So send us that message and let's get you back on the horse. Lots of you have spent a lot of time and you have spent significant amounts of money on training for the PMP exam. The only problem is you are not putting finality to this journey, and you should. So I'm going to be coming to you with some mega motivation with some of my PMP bosses to give you that last push to get this done. I feel that if you go any further in 2019, it's going to become a lot harder to get back on course because lots of you have got life-changing events coming up, different things happening. Now would be the time to get this done, okay? So send that email. If you are on the Praizion Learning Management System right now, okay, with an active subscription, this is a free event for you. For those who are not on the learning system, we will make it open to them. And that fee will be made known on the YouTube channel within the next week. But for those of you who are currently on the system, please send that message to us, okay? Some of the reasons for people falling off the wagon are distraction, life brings things and throws them at you, and all that hard work that you put in just going down the drain. We can't have that happen. You see, there was a student of mine who lost not one parent, but two parents in the course of his preparing for the PMP exam. Very unfortunate set of events, very unfortunate circumstance. But he realized that he would lose in more ways if he decided not to complete his journey. So what did he do? The moment he got back from international travel, he called me up and said, Phil, I want to start again. I want to continue. This is what they would have wanted. I was just blown away. This guy has a goal. He has a target. He knows what he wants. Now, further hardship on the exam included failing the exam 4 times. This was going to be his time number 5. His wife told him, this is ridiculous. Why are you doing this again? For the 5th time, you actually want to put money into this thing and do it again? And it's funny because we exchanged emails and he included her on it, and I said, don't worry, he's in great hands. Long story short, we got him back on track after all was said and done. And I'm talking about many months had transpired between his losing his parents, unfortunately. But when all was said and done, he became a PMP. He works in IT out in Washington. He's doing very well, and I heard from him not too long ago. In fact, he sent some of his colleagues to me for me to help them. So that's a success story that underscores the importance of tenacity and staying on the horse. I had another student of mine who was studying for a different exam, the Prince 2 exam. This student had her father pass away the night before her exam. Rather than quit, she decided this is what he would have wanted me to do. I know that if I leave it now, there's not going to be any coming back. That is crazy, unbelievable tenacity. To get that news the day before your exam and not to be moved to the point of quitting, my oh my. So I say all these things to propel you and to inspire you. At the end of the day, this student also passed the Prince 2 exam and has gone on to other things in life. That's what it's all about. Get this done, get on to other things in life. Finish it. You know, one of my buddies, Dustin, who is now PMP, he says, go big or go home. Are you going to go home? You better go big, folks. It's time to go big. Let's do it. All right. Those of you on the LMS, I'll see you. Those of you who are on YouTube and not on the LMS, don't worry. we'll make this available. You'll see a video in the next few days announcing this important event on the 20th. Take care and bye for now.